In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on forex.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a pending order confidently and avoid unintended trades. First, open the forex.com platform on your device and sign in. Give it a moment to fully load so your account balances and orders are up to date. A stable connection helps ensure you're seeing the most current information before making any changes. Next, navigate to the Order section. Depending on whether you're on desktop, web, or mobile, this might appear as Orders, Open Orders, or Pending Orders. This is different from Positions, which shows trades that are already live. We're focusing on pending instructions that have not executed yet. Find the pending order you want to remove. Pending orders are instructions to trade in the future at a set price, such as limit and stop orders. A limit order aims to buy below or sell above the current market, while a stop order triggers a trade once price crosses a specified level. Take a moment to confirm the symbol, order type, price, and size so you're canceling the right one. If the market has already hit your level and the order has been filled, it will no longer appear as pending and can't be canceled. Click on the order to open its details. This view is helpful for one last review of everything, including the instrument, order type, and any expiration you may have set. Accuracy matters here, especially if you manage multiple orders on the same pair. Select Delete. On many versions of the platform, pending orders use the term delete rather than close. Delete removes the instruction from your account, so it won't trigger in the future. You're not closing a live trade. You're simply withdrawing a standing request. Confirm your choice. A confirmation prompt is designed to prevent accidental removal. Approve the action, and the order should disappear from your orders list. If you see a success message or a brief notification, that's normal. If not, refresh the view to make sure the list updates. You can also glance at your activity or notifications area to verify the deletion was recorded. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the market is moving fast and your pending order is very close to price, it might trigger before the cancel request completes. Timing matters, and if your goal is to change the price or size rather than remove the instruction entirely, consider modifying the order instead of deleting it. That's it. Open the platform, go to Orders, find the pending limit or stop, click it, select Delete, and confirm. You're all set.